This portion of the Justuno dashboard has data surrounding exit behavior on your site. Highlighted on top is the average number of pages viewed before a visitor leaves with your average bounce rate. The bounce rate is calculated by the number of visitors that come to your site and leave after only one page view. Below is a table breaking down the top 5 pages visitors are leaving your site into exact number of sessions. Hovering over the data points, you can see the number of sessions, which is the number of people who left from that page, and the percentage of customers that engage with Justuno at any point in their journey who left from that specific page. If you want to review a specific page, you can click on these points to remove or add specific lines. Next is the exit URL flowchart. On the left are the top 5 exit URLs. To understand what this information portrays, first let's go over what bounced and retained means. Bounced visitors are those that exited from the pages listed and only viewed one page that visit. Retained visitors are those that exited from those pages listed, but only after visiting more than one page during their session. The yellow flow tracks customers that bounced in a session. Hovering over the sections, you are able to see the exact number of visitors that bounced from those URLs. Next, we break down if a visitor bounced and either had an impression and engaged with Justuno, or had no Justuno interaction. The blue flow outlines customers who had continued their journey within their session when they finally exited on the listed pages. The first breakdown outlines if they had no impression and either converted or did not. The second breakdown outlines if a customer had a Justuno impression, engaged, and either had a conversion or did not. The third flow breaks down if a customer had an impression and did not engage. The engagements pie chart has an overview of the top exit pages based on the highest number of engagements, meaning the top pages that visitors are leaving if they have engaged with the Justuno promotion. The conversion pie chart has an overview of the top exit pages by engaged reported conversions. An engaged conversion is counted when a customer engages with a promotion and then converts. The next line graph shows the top 5 exit pages based on the highest number of impressions. Hovering over each day, you'll see the number of impressions and the percentage of sessions with impressions. The percentage of sessions with impressions is calculated by the unique number of sessions that had one or more impression. Here you can see the top pages that have the highest number of engagements and the rate at which people are leaving those pages. The rate is calculated by the total number of exits on the page divided by the total number of times that page was viewed during the selected time frame. The final bar graph on this page shows the top 5 exiting pages with a breakdown of pages per session and engaged pages per session. Pages per session is the average number of pages viewed that session before leaving the site. Engaged pages per session shows the number of pages viewed if they engage with Justuno before leaving the site. Finally, you'll see the table below, which shows you each URL that a visitor exits. Here you can add and remove data points, and you can also sort each column. This information can help you pinpoint exactly what traffic to target using Justuno on a page-to-page basis.